In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use background music in videos, specifically videos that don't have any dialogue, voiceover, or people talking in them. If your video does have people talking in it, go to the description and check out this other guide I made about how to use background music in videos that do have people talking in them. Background music helps us set the tone of the video, create rhythm, evoke emotions, support visual storytelling, and make the video more memorable. I know we call it background music, but in this case it's really in the foreground, and that's why we have to put more thought into how we approach this. And I'm here to help you with 10 basic tips that will make your video sound more professional. Have you ever gone grocery shopping when you were hungry? Sure you have. What happens then? You get confused and you end up buying stuff that you don't need. That's why we use a shopping list. We sit at home and we write down the things that we really do need before we go out to the supermarket. We'll use that same principle here. Don't just go to a music library and start scrolling through, because it will get you confused and waste your time. Instead, start by thinking, what kind of music will go well with my video? It doesn't have to be a specific track, but try to make a decision about how you want the music to feel. Should it be slow? Should it be upbeat? Maybe it's classical, maybe it's modern, maybe it's Italian, maybe it's children-oriented. Having a general idea will help us focus and save a lot of time. Once you have a general idea, start trying a few options until you feel something, and trust your instincts. Remember, it's not science. We're not in a lab. There's no formula or one correct answer. If the music makes you feel something, that's what you're looking for. And it doesn't have to make you laugh or cry. If you find yourself thinking, this actually goes well with the video, that's it. For videos with dialogue, I don't recommend using music with vocals because it creates a clash between the voices. However, since we're talking about videos without dialogue, we have a wider variety to choose from. So if you do choose music with vocals, try to choose something that aligns with the overall tone of your video, and don't ignore the lyrics. Sometimes even just one word can make or break your video. So pay attention to what the singer is saying. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure you can actually use the music. To avoid issues and legal consequences like getting your video removed for copyright violations, you will have to either pay for the music by buying a license or use royalty-free music. It just so happens that I make royalty-free music and give it away for free on my website, Golan.com. So feel free to use anything you find helpful, and remember, it's all for free. This goes without saying, but I'm saying it anyway. Make sure the volume of your music is high enough. This is the sound of your video. This is 50% of what viewers will relate to, or what will help them relate and remember your video. Give the music its rightful place and let it shine. Most music tracks are like roller coasters. You have the lower parts, or the quieter parts. You have the higher parts, or busier and more energetic parts. We can use these dynamics to create moments of tension and release within the video, which is a fancy way to say, whenever the music is quiet, show the relaxed part of the video. Whenever the music is more energetic, you can use it to show the peak moments of the video. Let me show you what I mean. I'll play 10 seconds of a music track that I want to use, and notice that it starts with a quieter part or a build up towards something, and then it reaches the peak and the energy levels go up. Now let's see a small part of the video that I'm editing. It's a dad teaching his daughter how to ride a bike. and we can identify that the video has similar dynamics to the music track. It starts with a build-up where the dad helps his daughter, and then it reaches the peak when she's on her own. But it doesn't get the viewer very excited without music. So all we have to do is connect these two dynamics so we get this. To keep a good upbeat rhythm, find the beat of your track and sync your visual transitions with the rhythm. So let's say we have this track. Let's find the beat. Right? So now each snap can be a transition. Or we can skip a snap but still stay on the beat. You're almost finished with editing, you're at the end of the video, but the music goes on longer than the footage. Instead of abruptly cutting the background music, you can use a fade out effect and let the music gradually disappear at the end of the video. This option is fine and I use it sometimes, but I always prefer to have a proper ending for the music and try to align the real ending of the track with the video's ending by cutting certain parts of the music to make it fit. You can see a full demonstration of how to do it in my previous video. There's a link in the description. Your video is ready and you like it, but you're the only one who watched it and you're not very objective. So another set of eyes and ears are very valuable at this point. Show it to a friend and don't say anything. Don't ask them to pay special attention to the music and see if they bring anything up by themselves. If they do, don't be offended, be happy. You just got constructive criticism for free and you have someone in your life that can tell the truth to your face. Go back, fix those little things and finalize the video. Audio sounds different on different devices. Test your video sound on multiple devices like your phone, tablet, and computer, and compare it with a reference video you think sounds great to make sure the balance and quality are good. That's it. Good luck with your editing. Well done for investing in yourself and taking the time to learn. This is how you become better and more professional. If you have any questions or tips of your own, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and go download some free stuff.